This is your morning jolt, and trade war fears are so scary that a bunch of people are not even in the office yet. They're afraid to come into Wall Street. Obviously, I'm kidding, but I got 3 things you need to know to get your market day started right. First up, it's right at the bat, markets. The markets are under considerable pressure, as Trump said this on tariffs, and then China came out and said this on tariffs overnight. So the market is very freaked out. And as I write in the Morning Jolt newsletter, which you can subscribe to by clicking on the top of TheStreet's homepage, the market could easily be down 10%. I mean, the big down day is coming. Why? I mean, look at how people are not positioned. I mean, I look at a note in my inbox from a longtime market bull, Jim Paulson of the Luthold Group. He points out that before the dot-com bubble, 28% of the S&P 500 was defensively positioned. What does that mean? People actually own shares of utilities and consumer staples. Low growth names, but they pay high dividends. Today, that stands at about 11%. So I think the market is underestimating how quickly selling could lead to more selling. And then secondarily, look at profit estimates in the back half of the year. Very, very high. In no way are investors prepared or really taking seriously yet the prospects of trade wars and what that might mean for a Boeing, a Caterpillar, and their entire supply chains. Not new news until it's new news. What else we got? What you need to be watching today. Shout out to TheStreet's founder, Jim Cramer. He created the FANG Index, which is Facebook, Apple, Netflix, and Google. He created the Cloud Kings, which is Salesforce, Adobe, and a couple other names. And now he's back with the GLUM Index. Yes, the GLUM Index. These are 12 stocks that right now are starting to reflect a lot of the trade worries you're seeing rip through Wall Street. It's Boeing, it's Caterpillar, I'm going to look, it's General Electric, which the last thing that company needs is a trade war. These are the 12 stocks you need to be watching to see how they're trading today, because they're probably going to lead the market lower. But when they start to reverse, that's when the selling in the market might conclude. Go to TheStreet's homepage. You can see the overall list of the 12 stocks that Jim created, and then click through to Real Money. He actually wrote a whole piece on the GLUM Index. The GLUM Index, it's real. Follow it. Put it on your desktop. What else we got? Stats on the street. I got 2 good ones for you. According to some new data that I came across on USA Today, coming across my phone in the morning, about 14% of U.S. adults were smokers in 2017, down from 16% in 2016. In the 1960s, that was over 42%. Smoking's gross. But you actually see the smoking stocks, the tobacco stocks, reflect this downtrend, which is, as they should be. I mean, you have Altria down about 27% in the past year. You got Phillips Morris about down 35% over the past year. Definitely not smoking hot stocks. I was definitely going to get that pun in. Haha. I know, YouTube, take me to task on that. What else we got? We got Facebook shares will open or probably trade around an all-time high on Tuesday. Put that in the go figure category. I mean, this company is investing aggressively to monitor its social media beast that it's created. The market doesn't really seem to give a damn. It's saying profits are going to go up, 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 and up, and Facebook stock is trading accordingly. Stock's up about 630% over the past 5 years. What a home run. Kind of strange. Be sure to sign up for TheStreet's Morning Jolt newsletter at www.thestreet.com/newsletters, and hang in there. It's going to be an absolutely crazy day on Wall Street. Get the caffeine flowing.